What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyack. I am a master plumber and HVAC technician. Today, we are at the Golden Corral on I-Drive here in Orlando, Florida. Don't forget to subscribe. There's zero cost or obligation. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get post notifications when I drop a new video. I gotta move some ductwork. The change order, which is fine, but let me show you what I have to do. Those two returns, the contractor wants there, right? And obviously there was a plenum trunk here that goes from there all the way there, all right? And then this one, he wants over here. So he wants those two right there, which is not happening. If this guy doesn't want to replace this tankless, that tankless, and this disaster, which I call an abortion, then you absolutely know he's not going to pay for me to move over a plenum. Especially when you have those are big mother effers right there. Those are big mother effers right there. Note to self, check extermination record prior to eating at this establishment. So while he may not be getting those two there, at least we could probably put them in right there. Oh, look, the exterminator's here. Kill them. They're probably gonna come flying out of there. So I can easily relocate these two, right, and put them right there. I have enough play up there. See, my flex is going up and it goes that way. So if he's okay with that, we can easily do that. Or I guess maybe we could put those two here outside of this air. At least I'm not sucking in all the air from this buffet station. I'll put them here instead. I think that's a better deal. I gave up.
This way a little bit towards me.
This guy is an OG at this thing. We gotta push? Push! Hold on.
Okay. A little to the right. There you go.
Oh, the door.
Come back a little bit towards me. Come back. Okay. Now hook to your right a little. Go to your right. All right. You're good on my end. Go straight. Easy. That is tighter.
That's tighter than a virgin's pussy. Hi, Christian.
Hey. Oh, hello.
Got him. They definitely need some indoor air quality products here.
Yeah.
That's some yummy stuff right there. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we are working on moving the return that was right here, right? And we're putting it right here. We don't have that much room to work with, but we're gonna take that 16-inch takeoff and this 16-inch takeoff right there, and we're gonna make them up with a small little piece of 16-inch flex. Christian's gonna remove the rest of that insulation on there if he can. And we're gonna tie in a new flex there, a flex connector, following Florida mechanical code. All right, that was here, or here. No, it was here. And now it's over there. So we have 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put it right here, but we'll look like shit with that there. All right, let's, wanna move over there?
Yeah, sure.
You wanna do it? Want me to do it?
Yeah, which one of these switches?
Hold on, let's go this way.
You gotta turn on.
Don't break it.
No, you gotta lift it up.
No, now it's off. You sure?
Are you sure? Alright, let's try. I thought it was up. You guys are dead.
Why? It's not dead.
No? Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah.
It's dead.
Right, man. You go like that? Going down, how you go down? That way?
But now we're gonna go back up for shits and giggles. You ready? Go back up.
Okay.
Watch. We're gonna show Matt. Okay, now ready? At top. All right, wait, stop. Whoa, your head. You think that's OSHA approved?
I don't think this thing is even anything approved.
All right, let's go that way. This way, but don't drunk drive. By the way, it's amazing that the Golden Corral is doing a full facial makeover of all customer-facing stuff, because what's going on here is kind of nasty.
A little bit. Hold the grease.
The grease.
Hold the grease.
And I broke a nail. I have a boo-boo.
It's a new podiatrist.
Yeah. For my claws. I don't know. Tom left, by the way. In case you guys are wondering where Tom is, not that you can't miss him. He went to the supply house to get material to re-rough 5 lavs in the 2 bathrooms. And one of them is a cross TY, 2 of them. Right? And he leaves the supply house without the cross TYs. They give him everything else, but we can't do the job without the cross TYs. So a good thing that we have the change order here for the ductworks that we're replacing. This has something good to do. Oh, thank God he's drunk driving. Damn.
I'm trying not to hit anything.
We gotta go up there and remove those.
Wow, look at that floor sink.
What floor sink?
Right there.
I know. You see the one in the back room in the waiter station?
I saw it under there.
Nasty. You all right? Good thing I'm wearing my harness, my 3-point harness here, right?
It's so nice and see-through.
I know, but technically, you know, Christian,
What?
this is plumbing and air by Tom's first air conditioning job.
Yeah.
This is a monumental occasion, by the way. You know this, right? We need to celebrate.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. On the AC side,
Yeah,
yeah, let's celebrate.
we gotta celebrate. How about we get some Latinas chicas?
Spandex pants.
Spandex, the come fuck me pants. That's what they're called. Oh, this is not the uncensored channel. Yeah, poke a hole. All right, we gotta go up there. Oh no, I'll put it on the regular channel. It's okay. We're gonna give people a laugh. Like that guy is laughing outside.
Oh, you heard that?
Yeah.
That's a great A.
Okay, let's go up. Okay.
Easy. It's easy.
Easy there, partner. All right, let's go up there. Ready? This is how we do it. Okay, ready? You want to film it? It's ready rolling. It's ready rolling. Ready? Here we go. It's ready rolling. Ready? Watch it. In unison. Oh!
Dude. There's no way.
Want to say hi to your mom?
Hello, Mom.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. To celebrate the inaugural first air conditioning HVAC service work being done, I am in the attic, approximately 18 feet off the finished floor in the Golden Corral on I Drive in Orlando. And in case you don't believe me, they're all the way down there. And you may not tell because of, there it is. Show your face, show yourself. That's how far down he is, by the way. Right? I crawled, or actually hung like a monkey from over there, put an 8-foot ladder on top of that scissor lift, and then I climbed like a monkey on top, and I'm sitting on top of the Vitalik. I really am. So, thank God there are hangers in place here, but there's no walkway here. There's no OSHA-approved walkway up here at all. And God damn it, for as complicated as the state of Florida makes it so you can get licensed, where is my walkway, my OSHA-approved plywood? Where is it? All I know is that this change order, which I billed out for, there's a comma in it, by the way. There's a comma. Oh, look, hi.
Hey, Bob. How are you?
How's your hole?
Clean.
Family. All right, I got to take this flex and that flex and get rid of this, and we're going to bring it all the way over there. I am going to share something with all of you that you will have to take and not have nightmares with. I am about to share something with you very epic that I only think I've seen once in my life. Here we go. That is a return duct. How does that look for you? Does that look yummy? That looks just epic. You see that? That is just good shit right there. Can't imagine what that one looks like. All right, I removed the flex that's here. There's the old one. We have to get rid of that. And then we're going to run the new one to here. And then there. I'm going to disconnect this one next.
That's disgusting.
Hi.
All right, hey, you need new flex now?
Yep. Let me get the, well, hold on. Hey, hold on. Oh, hi there, so I did not charge enough for this job. I think I only charged blah, 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 but it's not enough. I did not take into account the height necessary to be up in here. This could have easily have been a $6,000 job, easy. I know it sounds excessive, crazy, but I am literally top of the roof, right? We have an extremely high elevation there. No exaggeration, I'm 18 feet off the finished floor. And there's no means to work up here. So if this was like a union job, we would have to dissect the grid system, the suspended system here, and get a scissor lift up here. Seriously. There's no other way of doing this, right? There's just no other way of doing this. Oh, by the way, if you haven't done your obligation, what are you waiting for? Smash that thumbs up button. Do you think I'm recording this for my health? Do you think I'm showing you my life experience right here on Tuesday, February 20th, 2024, in Orlando, Florida, on International Drive at the Golden Corral, currently closed for renovations. Part of a $1.1 million renovation. What are you doing with that?
I think it'll be easier for me standing here and moving this one.
Oh, okay. So smash that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe. Right? And hit that notification bell. Because if you don't hit that notification bell, you're going to miss great opportunities like what I'm doing right now to entertain you and feed you and show you what we do here. There it is. There's my two ducks. They're going all the way to Christian over there. This one's a little short. We're going to go under this. And then we're done up here. And I'm going to tell Tom I need a big fat effing raise. See? There's a ladder. It's a 6-foot ladder? Or is that a 5-foot ladder? 6-foot ladder. And then I went up all the way up in there. And we were in that hole. See? Up in that hole.